Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to set your default departure point on the Kiwi.com application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Tap on the profile button down below that can be found in the right side corner of the screen. Then you should tap on the app preferences section and click on customization. Tap on default departure point. So you should select your departure point. So type it in. Here you can find all of the relevant departure points. So tap on confirm selection. As you can see, it has been set. So feel free to come back to this section and change it anytime you want to. That's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.